So this is the footpad on the Surveyor 3 craft. And so the official story, this I have no reason to doubt. I think that they could send unmanned crafts to the moon. And this is actual photos of that actual unmanned craft. And they had scooped up some dirt with their scooper and then dropped that dirt onto the footpad. And the camera there could take photos of that dirt. So you can see the first scoop here, I'll say scoopful of dirt. This first scoopful of dirt landed here, just near the hinge. Then they went ahead and dumped many scoopfuls of dirt. And they covered basically half of the footpad. You can see from the tip of the footpad all the way down here, they put many scoopfuls of dirt here. And then they came in with their little scooper, and they took the tip of the scooper and they put it down to the tip of the footpad, and they scraped away some of the dirt, and it left a white spot here. So you can see they had scraped away all the dirt on that certain part of the footpad. Okay, so this is the reference source material, came from this document. Coming back to the footprint, this is the footprint that doesn't match at all. And if you look here, zooming in on the where they had pushed the dirt away, so the scraper had pushed away this area here, okay? And it's white where they pushed away all the dirt. And coming back, this is another image of it where you can see where they had pushed away the dirt. Here's a third image. You can see where the scraper was approximately this big, the tip of it when it scraped away. And finally, the last image, you can see where the scraper had pushed away. So, and there's like kind of a little mound around it where it had. So we're very fortunate to find these 4 images. There's only 4 images, 1, 2, 3, 4, of the final resting place. So this is what it should have looked like when the Apollo 12 astronauts walked there and visited this Surveyor 3. All right, so let's come back here to the Apollo images. You can see it's totally different. It's a totally different. They had tried to emulate it a little bit, but like that's not the way it should have been. It should have been white down in here and then dirt over here, just way out on the edge. But that's not what we're seeing here. So let's share a few more of these. You can see they kind of moving around it. You can see the dirt is here in the middle of this like kind of semicircle. They had kind of like scooped it off and then put some other little clods here, dirt clods in the middle of this semicircle. It's totally different from the actual. Again, you can see it's like a little circle they had made, and then they put a couple little clops of dirt in here to fill it in. It's totally different from the Surveyor 3. Yeah, here's from the other side. It's even more obvious, But they purposely left the camera out of focus here. But you can see it's not even, there would have been more dirt. They had covered half of it. So there would have been more dirt over here. And there would have been more dirt up here. And then there would have been dirt kind of along the rim there. So doesn't match at all. You see? It doesn't even have the rim back here. So anyway, you can explore these on your own in higher resolution. But I'm just showing you like this is the way it should have been, because this is the actual Surveyor 3 craft. And there was kind of the dirt on all 4 sides around where the scooper had pushed off the dirt. And you can see the white spot, how wide the little scoop mark was. And then coming back here to the pollen emissions, it doesn't look anything like that at all. It doesn't, it kind of looks a little bit alike, but it's like there should have been dirt here on the rim, and then this white part in the middle here should have been white. So it's totally different